Hi everyone. Yeah, it's a bit cloudy here today. Yesterday was very hot here. It was like 36 degrees. So yeah, I think today might get a thunderstorm later on. But I'm just showing you the Dutch buckets here, guys. Everything's growing well. These are cauliflowers. A couple of cauliflowers we're just trialing. Here they're coming along okay. Gonna start growing heads inside. And yeah. But we've got watermelons here, guys. I'll just show you on this side. There's a fairly big one here, right next to our tomatoes in the same system. And yeah, there's another little one up top there as well, you can see. But yeah, it's coming on this side here. Here's another one here, guys. Let's go all the way up to the top. And here's in here. Another one in there. Tomatoes getting a little old, but still got a lot of tomatoes here. This, guys, this is our floating raft system, and you can see it's loaded with kangkong. It's going really well. Here, guys, there's tomatoes. We've got a lot on here. This is all in cocoa peat, and here you can see here. These are huge. This one here, you can see the size here. So this one here, it's starting to come off. So we're going to take this one now. These are multicolored inside, so we'll show you what it looks like inside. But we'll take this one now. Starting to change colour. Yeah, massive. There's more up top as well coming along. They're getting a bit sunburned, as you can see, but they're growing well. These ones here are berry tomatoes, which we'll take a few of now. Yeah, so we got, yeah, so a few here. There's another one here, it's coming along. I want to wait till it's too late because the birds start eating it. I think this one here is a different variety. Like a pumpkin here. This here is an eggplant. This is mini white eggplants. I'll just take this one now. You can see here. There's more coming on it. Yeah, more flowering and more fruit coming. Yeah. And looking over the other side here, guys. These here, these are cherry gold. You can see how good these look. Take these now, or the birds eat them. Yeah. Yes, that's a good selection, guys. Hey guys, yeah, this is baying in here. So it's an Asian vegetable. There's lots growing in here. And as they get bigger, these are all in cocoa peat. You can see in here, as they get bigger, they look like this, and they just keep getting more and more bigger. These are the back here, guys. These are wombok growing here. So they're going well. And along here, this is a grape. This is the table grape like this. And it's grown really well with the weather here being hot. This is growing also in cocoa peat. Yeah. You see, guys, this is all kangkong growing in here. It's growing large now. Yeah, it grows really well in the NFT. Kangkong, for those that don't know, this is a water spinach. And they love drinking water, so yeah. There you go, guys. This guy's our hydroponic banana. And you can see how big he's getting now. It's taller than the fence. And the fence is like 1.8 on top of a retaining wall. So she's getting big. There's some new ones coming in here, you can see. Yeah, I think this is a ginger coming up here. yeah, she's huge. These are all in clay balls, as you can see. Yeah. In the bottom I got some bricks in there just to make sure it's stable. And over here guys, this is corn. It's growing, yeah, it's growing slow, but it's growing. This is also in cocoa peat. Alright guys, we're gonna just cut this tomato open now. This one's a multicolored one inside, so it's still not 100% red outside. It doesn't actually go red, it's like a brownie colour. We'll try that anyhow. We'll cut him open. We'll see what we end up with. Yeah, so it's looking different inside guys. There's not a real lot of seeds in there, but yeah, it's all the different colours in there. Yeah. Cut the other one open, have a look. Yeah. You see all the colours in there? Yeah. There you go guys. This is the cherry gold, these ones here. Yeah, so we've got a few different varieties here. This is another one we can cut later. Yeah. There you go guys. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, yeah, this is our harvest. You can see here. We've got, this is our tomato we've cut up. We've had a taste and yeah, it tastes quite good. It's very like fruity, more than like tomato. But yeah, it's quite nice. The other one we'll keep, which is in here. We'll let that ripen a lot more. And I think there'll be a lot more colour, so we'll show you when it's ripe. But there you go guys, this is all from our garden. We've got chili, we've got the little tiny tomatoes, we've got the berry tomatoes, we've got this other one here, this is an heirloom type, and this coloured one here. Then we've got the cherry gold, so yeah. There you go guys. Looking good, yeah. Cheers.